Good day, fellow MS officers. You are welcome to this tutorial. In this video, I want to briefly illustrate how you are going to fill the Excel sheet, okay, that is forwarded to you from the LGA to fill it to that is to fill in the details of all the staff in your various departments, that is your school or your center. Now, my name is Okunu Mwebudin, and I want to, on behalf of my Oga, Mr. Ajayi Oluwasegun. So I want to put you through. This message is coming from him that I should put you through this, how you are going to fill the form. Now let's go to the group which we all belong, which is because I really want to show you how you are going to go through this step by step. Okay, and here is our group, the Digital Literacy MS. So let's go to that document. So if I see comment on that document now, it's going to take me up there. So here is the Excel document. I hope you can see. So when you click it, the Office enabled software on your phone, your app is going to open it for you. Whether you are using Phoenix, it's going to open it. WPS, other office related application will open it. Okay, so here is the form. Okay, and as you can see at the top heading here, you have the update, which you are going to omit. You don't need that. Employee type, okay, the LGA that staff is, the employee number, which is the Oracle number, the SUBEB number, which is your LS SUBEB or whatever that has the NTS or teaching code, your son, the son name of the staff, other name, birth certificate, birth, date of birth, the marital status, the gender, that is the sex, the state of origin, the age of origin, the cadre, the grade level, the designation, date of first appointment, email, the address of the staff, okay, employee status. So let's get started. So how do you go about it? This video is for those that are using the phone to do it. Now, we are not filling these updates. Forget about these updates column. So you start from this employee column. So I click on this tab here. So when I click on it, now look at this place here, this formula bar here. Okay, whatever you type in here will go into the selected cell. Okay, this is the selected, this is the cell I select now with this green box here, this highlighted green box here. Okay, so I just come down here and I type in the employee type, which is permanent. Okay, now let's move to the next one, which is the LGA. I click on, you can see I'm touching the LGA. Then I come to the formula bar here and type Ojo. Okay, let me use cap locks this time. Okay, so that we can all see what we are doing. Let me change this to capital letters where permanent. Okay, now let's go to the third column, okay, which is the employee number, that is the Oracle number. Okay, so let's say my Oracle number is 175748. Okay, now let's go to SUBEB number. Okay, SUBEB number, my SUBEB number is LS SUBEB /NTS /13511. I've entered that. Can you see that? So don't worry about this place. It's going to be widened when I double click on this top here. Okay, it's going to be widened. Okay, so now let's go to the next column. You know, when I typed this number before, it was filling across the other column. Don't bother about that. Just double tap on the alphabet of that column. It's going to widen to the normal width of the of what the cell contains. Okay, so let's go on now to the surname. We are in the surname column now. So I just tap on the surname and I come to the formula bar and type the surname. The surname is Okunu. See that? So let's go to the next column. Other name is Muyibuddin. Date of other name, the date of birth, and these other names should have two names here. So let me add Olatunji. Okay, so you can see it's extending to the H colon. So, and I don't want that. So you just come to the G colon and double click it. You just double tap it. Can you see? So it's going to adjust itself to the appropriate width. So I click on the next cell, which is the date of birth. So the date of birth is 11-04 1985. Okay, now I move to marital status. Marital status is married. And to the sex, which is the gender, male. Okay, so move to the state of origin. The state of origin is Lagos. The LGA of origin is Ojo. No, sorry, is Amuwo. Odofin. Keda is the clerical Keda. If you are a teacher, it's going to be teacher Keda. If it is headmaster, it's going to be headmaster Keda. All right. So let me go to the formula bar and type in. I've selected the cell. Okay. So I come down to the formula bar and type in clerical Keda. Okay. So let me double tap on M so that I can see that information well. The grade level of this guy here is level 7. The designation is CCO, that is Chief Clerical Officer. If you are a teacher, Keda is going to be, maybe you are a education officer, EO. If it is assistant education officer, AEO. If it is you understand, so that is the designation. So here we have Chief Clerical Officer, CCO. So date of first appointment is first, that is 1. Let me use 01-05-2009. Email address, this should be in small letter, muhibforislam@gmail.com. Address is 16 Olayemi Crescent, Federal Second Gate, King. You click on that mark. After doing that, let me double click on this so that you can see the entire width. Can you see that? So employee status, which is last information we need to type in, is active. Okay, active. So this is how you are going to fill. So go to the next staff, okay, and start filling up like that for the entire staff. So this is basically all the information you need to input into the Excel sheet. If you have any question, you can post it to the group, okay, and Mr. Shegun, my boss, will be, and the HOS will be willing to answer your questions. And thank you very much. I believe this video will go a long way to help you to appropriately fill in the Excel sheet for the staff of your department or your school. Okay, thank you very much, and we'll see in another video.